currently in Minnesota right now. I haven't vlogged in a minute, but I think I'm gonna start getting back into it. Yeah, I'm not sure how I'm So today we're going to be installing Isc Coilovers on WRX. I have my friend Max here with me. He's going to be helping me. Tyler isn't here today, but he should be here soon. He's still at work. It's going to be like another hour or so. So the guy that sent me these coilovers, he put them in a Fortune Auto coilover box. I got these used off of Facebook Marketplace, so if you guys want to find any good deals on any of your stuff, I suggest you guys go look at that first, and then, I don't know, there's always good deals, so.
It's not gonna sit fully completely because one side's higher than the other, the audio civic, but it'll give a gist about it though. Hold on.
Okay.
It's not ready yet though.
Okay.
Can't do the eBay trick. Everything. It's good or what?
Yeah.
You only fit one finger, bro. Yeah, I think the back needs to go a little lower.
Yeah. Just a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
Is the back not maxed out?
Nah, it's
No,
not.
no. We got all the coilovers in. That took us about 5 hours. We still need to go test drive it and drop the car and see how it sits and all that.
I got off work, showed up, didn't know I was going to do it through 12.
I know, honestly, me too. I thought it was going to be till like 10 o'clock.
Are we done, boys?
Yes, take a lot of elbow grease.
So you don't die.
Oh yeah, the steering feels like...
Yeah, it's like, feels weird, right?
Yeah. Are you gonna put on your seatbelt? Dude, they don't even feel that bad.
It's pretty good though. Let's go this way. Take a right. Let's go hit a big bump. It actually rides like stock low key though.
It does.
If you get on this lane right here, the left lane, you can hit a big bump up there.
So this road has a few like big bumps, so we're gonna go over it and see how it feels.
Right now.
Honestly, it feels like stock suspension.
It honestly does. I think if you make it like a little
More
softer or stiff if you want. Yeah, but you can actually feel the bumps more with these though.
Yeah. If I gave someone my car and they put coilovers on it and they didn't tell me, I probably wouldn't even notice the difference. Well, these coilovers at least.
It honestly doesn't feel that bad though.
It doesn't. Dude, these ride really good.
I know. Got for
I'll
dirt
suggest
cheap.
these. Alright, so my friend Max is driving it now. How do you feel about that?
Feels pretty good, bro. Bumps. It's alright, pretty stiff, but you can change it. But overall, it's pretty good. It's pretty smooth too. Not too bad. I would say it's pretty worth the price for what it is. It was really good, dude. I like it. I like how it sits.
Not better than my Acura though. My shit sit. My shit sit pretty, bro. I can make that shit go lower, bro.